He'll get you on a building site quick smart, working for Vince Troke. He's been installing and finishing plasterboard since he was 17 and employs about 30 people on building sites all over Auckland for his company, Troke Wallboard Services.
Hi, yes, it must be Wyndon.
Yes.
I'm Vince Troke. There you go. Right, this is where we'll be starting, putting up a bit of plasterboard. What we'll be doing first, we'll just be lining this wall, and as an apprentice, this is basically what you'll be starting off with first of all. Okay.
Fixing wallboard involves careful measuring and attention to detail, without sacrificing speed. So what type of person makes a good fixer?
You can teach them a trade. I'd say 50% of it is having their willingness to be able to want to learn what you're trying to teach them. So now we've got the 2 plugs to cut out. We've got a keyhole saw.
Yep.
So you can cut down like that. Can I have a go?
Yeah.
Okay. Just saw down there. Just don't force it because it's got a nice sharp blade on it. Just keep going. That's it. And then stop. Turn it around. And there you go. Well done. So now we've got to glue the wall up.
Almost looks like blue tack.
Well, I think it's a wee bit stronger than blue tack. You wouldn't want your kids playing with this. Bring it across.
Yes.
And put it against the wall. Make sure our plugs are in the right position. My one looks really good. Okay, what we have here is called a plated screw gun.
The days of nailing plasterboard are long gone, and now it's Wyndon's turn to have a go.
You've got to be very critical on how you fix plasterboard now, and hence the reason why it's a trade.
The last sheet to go up, and it has to fit in a tight gap, so it's important that Wyndon gets it right.
Yeah.
And there we go. Done. The good thing about this is you actually see the result of what you've done as well, and this is the part and the satisfaction and the rewarding from doing this type of job is that you've just created this wall.
This is my masterpiece.
Next up, apprentice Peter is going to introduce Wyndon to plasterboard stopping.
If you start from the beginning, you always start with obviously mixing up some mud.
Wyndon seems pretty confident, so after a short demonstration, he's let loose on the trowel.
Oh, sorry.
Wyndon's first time at plastering is a bit like icing a cake, but luckily, Peter is there to make it right.
That's pretty close. I mean, it almost looks like that. Might actually give it a bit of a clean up for you.
What do you find interesting about the job?
Variation. I could be in Glenfield one day, and then in the afternoon I might have to go to Whangaparo, or I might have to turn around and go to St Mary's Bay, or I'm just all over the place. That's the thing I love most about the job.
Plastering requires 3 coats to bring it up to a level 4 for paint finish.
The BCITU don't provide the training, that's where we come in, but they provide the support and the backup and give us a bit of direction as to which way we're going to take the young fella.
For more information on this program, visit our website at www.justajob.co.nz. The link is in the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe as we have more new videos coming out every week.